What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get a free Xbox Live gift card code in 2025. A lot of our subscribers have been asking us to test out some websites, and this is the only website that's been working for this channel over the space of a week. The website's called flashycodes.com, that's flashycodes with an s.com. As always, the link to the website will be below in the pinned comment for you. So once you get to the website, you can either search for it or just scroll down. Now, as you can see here, they've got 252 free Xbox gift card codes available, and now $100 value gift cards as well, guys. So once you get on here, click on the get code. It's just dropped down by one coupon, so you have to be quick when you're on the website. Just take a note of how many they've got left. Now, once you've clicked on the get code, it's going to pop up with another box. Now, this box is going to show you again how many they've got left. So it's actually gone down a little bit now. So 249 now Xbox gift card codes worth $100 each. Now, once you've got on this box, you just go ahead and click on the get coupon code. Now, the way this website works is they've got a big corporate companies on here that provide a lot of the free gift card codes for us, as well as advanced app developers. So once you get on here, all you need to do is follow the two steps I showed you and then click on the get full code. Now, once you click on the get full code, you're going to have to complete a couple of steps. Now, we've actually answered a few questions, which has taken a couple of minutes, and then we've unlocked the code, or we've just downloaded some really good, fun game apps that we've still got on our phone, and that's unlocked the codes as well. So once you've done that, to click on the get full code, complete the verification steps, and that's it. Now guys, I'm going to cut this a little bit out and I'm going to show you myself redeeming the code that I unlocked right now with this video.
Okay, so I've done the verification steps. It didn't take me very long at all. It took me a couple of minutes. I've now got the $100 Xbox gift card code that I'm going to add to my account. Click on next and it's done. The link to the website will be below in the pinned comment as always, guys.